Public safety alert. Anomaly detected. If you are still inside the school building, this message is for you. Remain where you are. Do not panic. Do not trust any voices you hear. Today, after the final bell rang, all students and faculty evacuated the premises. All except one. You stayed behind. We have detected an anomaly. An unregistered delay occurred. You were last seen in room B213, packing slowly. When the voice called out, you turned. You forgot something. Come back. It sounded like Mrs. Lane. But she left with the others. Confirmed. Her voice should not be present now. The halls are quiet, empty, too clean, as if no one was ever here. You were not dismissed. Return to your assigned seat. Instruction is ongoing. You moved through the hallways, one after another, but they no longer connect the way they should. Every turn leads you back to the same whiteboard, your classroom, the origin point. Cycle confirmed. Loop active. The main doors are locked. The gym is gone. You are alone. Eyes forward. No talking. Chairs are facing you now. They weren't before. One chair is waiting. Restarting fourth period. You can no longer leave. Attendance has been recorded. Behavior is being monitored. You will be reviewed at the next cycle. You may now return to your scene. We'll try again tomorrow. Warning. Do not remain inside any facility after final dismissal. Do not respond to familiar voices after evacuation. Do not attempt to navigate looping spaces. Do not sit in unfamiliar chairs. To stay safe, leave when the bell rings. Follow the crowd. Do not look back. If you hear someone say, "You forgot something," keep walking. It is not them. This message will repeat until compliance is achieved. Stay alert. Stay alive.